Charlie eating his sprouts? He's got a little bit of bird poo on his feeder. I need to wash it. I just got home from work. Kind of gross, but he likes sprouts and alfalfa. So it's a really healthy snack for him, and it's cheap. He also likes broccoli. I gave him some canned peaches in there too. He's the luckiest bird in the world. He gets to go on car rides and everything. So we put a pair of sunglasses in the car, and he sits on the earpiece and looks out the window like a dog. We love our Charlie. We love our Charlie. Yum. Little baby worms.